How to sign up on AOL Mail. Hey everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see how we can create an account on AOL Mail. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the browser. Head towards the search bar, then type in AOL Mail. Press enter in your keyboard. From your search results, click on the first thing on your interface, that is AOL Mail. Now you'll be taken into sign in page. Since we want to create an account, there is a button as create an account, click on it. Now you'll land on sign up page. To create an account, first of all, you have to enter your full name. So provide your full name with your first name and your last name. Under that, create an email. So this will be used as your AOL mail. Under that, create a password. Now again, under that, enter your date of birth. Once you're done with that, click on next. Now you have to enter your phone number. So along with your country code, provide your phone number. Once done, click on send code. Complete this verification. Then click on verify. Click on continue. Now once you are done with that, you will get a verification code sent to your mobile number. So go and check for the SMS in your mobile number where you will receive a verification code. Once you have the code, type in the code right here. You will have 6-digit code. So type in the correct code right here. Once you're done with that, click on next, and if your code is verified, you will have your account created on AOL Mail. Then you'll be able to log in using your account. That's it. That's how you create account on AOL Mail. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.